Okay. Hi, everyone. Today we are talking about an important evolution in the way excellence is recognized within IGS. On behalf of the DEI committee, I'm here with Errol Guler. Hello, Errol. Um, to discuss the introduction of the IGS New Talent Awards and basically to talk about why this change matters for our communities. So, Errol, let's start from the bigger picture, if you agree. Why was it important for the IGS Awards Council to rethink the structure of the awards, introducing this IGS New Talent Awards? And what kind of principle or mindset did you want the awards to reflect?
Yeah, thank you, Julia, for this opportunity. As you know, we are all very excited about this new version of the IGS Awards rules. As you know, within IGS, we give great value to diversity, equity, and inclusion, and we want to reflect this also in the IGS award process. We understand diversity in its widest sense. From the past IGS awards, for example, we know that most of the applications came from academicians. Though we know the importance of academic research in development of the industry, we also believe that without innovative manufacturers and daring design engineers, a forward movement is not possible. Therefore, we wanted to encourage the manufacturers and design engineers to apply for the IGS award, which can bring visibility to their efforts. Hence, we increased the maximum number of IGS awards from 5 to 6, but also decided to give quotas to each category. Therefore, IGS award competition will allow to give awards to number of awards in the field of academic research, 2 in design, and 2 in manufacturing. Another way we consider serving diversity was by increasing the Young IGS Awards quota from 2 to 3. That allows the encouragement of the inclusion of more of young members who are the future of our learned society. We also have slightly twisted the concept of how young is defined. We recognize that young cannot be decided only based on age. Therefore, we brought the flexibility that somebody new in the industry can also be considered young, although the birth date indicates otherwise. Considering the dynamic work environment, we strongly believe that, for example, a person can decide to enter the field of geosynthetics after pursuing other careers, or, for example, starting late after a parental leave, etc. So, with the modified IGS award rules, the jury will be able to decide whether the candidate is new in the industry, even if the birth date exceeds the limit. Since IGS awards signal what IGS stands for and to stress the value we give to diversity, equity, and inclusion, the candidates were asked also to demonstrate how they contribute to principles of DEI. This criterion will be honored with a weight of up to 20% alongside the technical merits points. While reforming the IGS award criteria, we also have included 2 more aspects for evaluation, namely how the achievement contributes to sustainable solutions and how the achievement contributes to resilient solutions, with a total weight of up to 25%.
Brilliant. Thank you. Thank you very much for this introduction of on the award. Diversity, equity, and inclusion are now, as you have explained, are now explicitly part of the award evaluation. More broadly, why do you think it's important for the entire geosynthetic community, our community, to embed the DEI principle into how excellence is recognized?
Yes, a very valid and good question that is being asked by many people. As you know, diversity, equity, and inclusion aren't just moral checkpoints. By integrating a wide spectrum of perspectives and backgrounds, IGS can move beyond the so-called echo chamber effect, which often leads to stagnation. In other words, DEI is about bringing more tools to the table. When the geosynthetic industry welcomes people with different backgrounds and ways of thinking, it naturally works better because it stops relying on the way we have always done this. Mm-hmm. When we as IGS prioritize DEI, it unlocks a higher caliber of quality through rigorous debate and varied problem-solving approaches, ensuring that services and products are resilient and universally applicable. Furthermore, DEI is the primary engine of innovation. It challenges the status quo by introducing unconventional ideas that a homogeneous group might have overlooked. As we look toward the future, a commitment to these values ensures that we remain relevant, culturally competent, and capable of attracting top-tier talent in an increasingly interconnected global economy. Ultimately, it's about shifting from doing things the way they have always been done to building a framework where excellence is defined by the richness of collective insight. So having mentioned the advantages of DEI, achieving DEI goals often hits roadblocks, as we all know. Mm-hmm. Hidden stereotypes, long-standing institutional policies, and the ease of status quo can stall progress. Therefore, achieving DEI goals necessitates a cultural transformation. We at IGS recognize as the IGS Awards as one of the components of our DEI training, serving as a powerful driver to steer professional behavior toward inclusion. By using these awards as a compass, we don't just teach DEI principles, we actively incentivize the actions that shape a more equitable culture, ensuring that excellence and inclusive leadership go hand in hand.
Absolutely. Thank you for trying to summarize what DI means. It's not easy at all, I understand. Now the very last question, but just thinking about the people who might be watching this video. What would you say to professionals who might not see themselves as the typical award candidate, but whose work or ideas or impact could actually truly make a difference? Why should they feel encouraged to apply or be nominated for the new for the IGS New Talent Awards?
Yes, that's a good question. Most of the time, people shy away. So what I want to say to all IGS members is please make the effort and put together an application. There is nothing to lose.
Absolutely.
All the applications are held strictly confidential. So even if your application is not perfect, no harm done. And as an academician, I know how important it is to write down your ideas. So even if your candidacy will not bring an award to you, it may help a good idea to sparkle in your mind, which can lead to new innovations. And if you win, the whole IGS community will give you a big applause. So there are many good reasons, therefore, to apply, and we will allow to have more people applying because that will also serve the DEI concept within IGS.
Absolutely. Thank you, Aaron. And thank you for sharing your thoughts and for your strong help in pushing this more inclusive approach forward. The IGS New Talent Awards are really about recognizing impact and opening opportunities across the IGS community, or at least this is what we hope. And yeah, I think we are over. Thank you very much for your time, and thanks for all the people who will be watching this
Yeah.
video. Thank
Thank
you.
you again for the opportunity, and hope to see you all at the 13th International Conference on Geosynthetics this year in September, where the awards will be, the winners of the awards will be announced.
Absolutely. Thank you.